In this video, we'll be defining and reviewing the sequence of operations for the LB White 170,000 BTU heater. These units have a three-way selector switch. When the switch is up, the heater will try to produce heat. The middle selection is off, and if the selector switch is down, the heater will just be in a fan-only mode. The selector switch is energized when the unit is plugged into 120 power. When the selector switch is in the down fan position, power flows through the selector switch and energizes the control board's IND terminal. Power also travels to turn on the blower fan motor. When the selector switch is in the up position, L1 on the control board is energized, which sends 120 volts to the step-down transformer so it can be reduced to 24 volts. A red annunciator will light up on the selector switch as well. If the thermostat is plugged in, the heater will only attempt to fire if the thermostat is calling for heat. Make sure the thermostat's temperature is above the actual room temperature. Before the heater will attempt ignition, a safety air-proofing sail switch must verify the fan is producing enough CFM to safely light the burner. The air-proofing switch is now energized from the control board. The second safety device needs to be satisfied before an attempt at ignition. LB White heaters have two high-limit switches, one on either side of the unit. They act as a circuit breaker that pops if they sense too high of temperatures. If the temperature is appropriate to satisfy the high-limit switches, power then flows through and lights up an annunciator light. It also opens up the gas valve. At this point, the igniter will try and light the burner. The heater should now be producing heat and running properly. The heater will continue to produce heat until the thermostat set temperature is met or satisfied. When satisfied, the heater will shut off until room temperature drops below the thermostat setting again. Thank you for watching this LB White sequence of operations video. If you have any questions or need help with your climate control needs, contact one of the numbers listed above.